see how I like to do it?
Not really.
Now that was exciting! Getting excited! What's next? We have to grind up the carrots in teeny little pieces. Sounds like fun!
Oh, but Mommy never lets us use anything sharp because we might cut ourselves.
Hey, I know. My sister showed me a really fun way to cut up vegetables with my handy-dandy built-in carrot peeler. Take a run.
Okay, Eddie. You pour in the dragon there.
Where are they? I saw them right over there.
Where could they be? Look!
I couldn't help myself.
Oh, great! The cake contest is going to start soon, and we don't have